Hello family, we're going to make cashew chicken and rice. Come join me. First of all, I'm going to start my rice, and I've got 1 cup of water in there with 1 cup of chicken broth. And I always make my rice the same way. My ex-husband's mom was from Japan, and she taught me how to cook rice. So, and I've done it like that ever since. Always turns out perfect. Get that water boiling first. Okay, I want to add a little bit of salt and pepper to my chicken here. Just a little bit of salt though. Just mostly pepper. I diced up some, you can use chicken breasts, but I diced up some thighs. Now I'm going to toss them in some cornstarch. Just going to give it a good toss. It's a good coat. I've got like 5 tablespoons of cornstarch in here. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside, and what I want to do is whisk up some sauce here. Now, I didn't have hoisin sauce, so I made it. I made it last night, and if I remember, I'll put the recipe in the description. It's got peanut butter and molasses, and let's see, chicken broth, garlic, cornstarch, and some. I didn't have any sriracha, so I put just regular hot sauce in it, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Okay, 1/2 cup of that. Now I'm going to add to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. I didn't have rice vinegar, so I'm going to use regular vinegar. Regular white vinegar, 2 tablespoons. You just do what you gotta do. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, sesame seed oil. Okay. Now I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to add a little pepper to it. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Okay, now we're going to add some vegetable oil to the pan. Just a couple tablespoons. Okay, we'll get that going. Okay. When are you going to eat it all today? I'm going to give you some chicken and see if you'll eat that. Okay, now my rice is boiling, so I'm going to add 2 cups of liquid. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of rice. And I'm going to turn it down to just barely on, so it's just simmering. And I'm going to cover it. And I got this big cup that I put over it. That's what I do. That's my rice pan. And I let that cook for 20 minutes. I'm going to turn this on. Now, I'm going to saute 3 cloves of garlic. Just until it's just fragrant. That's good. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I'm just going to let this cook up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to turn it down. And I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, that was good. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of cashews. Give that a stir. And let that cook for a couple minutes. Okay. This is done and my rice is done. The timer went off. So we're going to let that sit a minute and then we're going to have some. Okay, we got our rice. Oops, I'm making a big mess here. Let's put some rice on the plate. Put some yummy chicken and cashew over the top. Look at that. Yummy. And put some green onion on it. you go. Have some. There you go. Cashew chicken over rice. So good. There you go. Have a bite. Mmm. This is so good. Yummy. I love the flavors and the crunch of the cashews. Wow. So, I'm going to chew here. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.